Good afternoon, folks. Hope you're having a good Sunday. More as a follow-up to our session on Wednesday and walking through the global bike data and doing your pre-work. I want to go ahead and put together some videos for you. I'll go through modules 2, 3, and 4. I timed it. Low side, probably take you roughly, if you follow the videos, maybe around 24 minutes. High side, maybe 30 minutes. And if you're not done, this should help you. So at least you can complete your exercise 1, which is due tomorrow, 11:59, right? So picking back up where we left off, here is where let's begin. Okay. All right. So starting fresh, got Tableau open and we'll work on joining our tables. I've had several questions and responded to students, and you see I log everything, right? So, and if you ever send me something, you'll get a log, and it's just the way that I do things. But moving along, connecting data, right? So we talked about this, and minimize this a little bit. If you remember what I was sharing with you, make sure always when we set up our joins, you want to open up that file, right? So come over here and open. And then once we join again, let's bring in our customer. Right? And it picked this up, but remember, as I shared with you on Wednesday, when we get this mark here, this exclamation, it's kind of telling you what's the problem, right? So we can kind of come down here and look, and we've got this needs to be a string, and that fixes it. Okay. Next, if you look on, I've got it brought up right here, but if you look on module 2, what else do we need to connect? Let's think about it. Okay. I'm going to self-reference sales org. And this is going to be sales org to sales org. I'll make this a little bit bigger so you can see it. We don't need that one. Kind of did 2. Remove. Click. We do not want the language key, so we want to make this customer. So come check here, sales org. And let's go over here, sales org to sales org. We're good to go there. Okay. What is next? If we kind of go back as we build out our table. Got lots of windows, sorry. Okay. Our product category, and then we also have material, right? I'm going to go ahead and drop material in right now. We're pretty much done with this. We'll come back to this in module, I believe 3 or 4 for currency. But I'm going to go ahead and minimize that so we can get more usage out of this. All right. Let's get the material first. Your colors may look a little bit different just simply because I dropped in the category before the material. Not a big deal, right? So when we look here at material, we want to make sure this is product. So go down. Material, that's fine. And up here on category, we want to adjust this, not the language key, right? Let's go to product category for material. There. And we don't want that. And this should pretty much fix us. Okay. Just so that I know that we're staying on track, because I kind of went through it. We joined our tables. We've set the strings that need to be set, right? Because that's what we don't have any error messages now. So this pretty much concludes module 2 for the global byte. So we're finished with that. Okay. So I'm going to basically pause this so that it saves on the basically the file upload. So we do this.